Jai Srimanarayana. 31st sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ye me matam idam nityam anutishtanti manavaha श्रद्धावन्तः अनसूयन्तः मुच्यन्ते तेऽपि कर्मभिः। ॐ Practice Sri Krishna's teachings with full of faith and without finding any faults. You will be definitely released from entire karma bondage. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely practice your teachings with full of faith and without finding any faults. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bharata, the moment he heard Ramachandra Swami is coming, immediately Bharata has taken Rama Padukas, kept on his head and came out of his kutiram in Nandigramam. There comes so many ministers, priests, Veda Panditas and so many leaders. All of them were following Bharata, and they arranged beautiful chariot with so many arrangements. Bharata, the one whose heart is filled up with so much of love towards Ramachandra Swami, went to Rama Padayoho Nyapatat Premna Praklinna Hridaye Kshanaha. While moving to tears, he went to Rama and he fell on the feet of Rama. पादुके न्यस्य पुरतः प्राञ्जलिः बाष्पलोचनः. Bharata gave the divine padukas to Sri Rama, and with the tears filled up in the eyes, Bharata, while doing namaskaram, he just stood there right next to Rama. Then Ramachandra Swami tam aslishya chiram dorbhyam snapayan. Rama tightly hugged Bharata, and with his happy tears, he almost wetted Bharata. Then Bharata did namaskaram to Sita Devi. All the people did namaskaram to Ramachandra Swami. Then all the people from Ayodhya offered garlands to Rama. They threw away all their top cloths into the space and started doing dances with so much of happiness. Sugriva, Vibhishana, all of them are doing so many services to Rama. Hanuma is carrying a beautiful umbrella to Rama. Shatrughna is carrying Dhanurbanas, and Sita Devi holding beautiful kalasam. All the women from Ayodhya praising Sri Ramachandra Swami. At that time, Ramachandra Swami is looking like Vireje Bhagavan Rajan. He is looking like a Purna Chandra in that Pushpaka Vimanam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Smadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 31st sloka. Ye me matamidam nityam anutishtanti manavaha shraddhavanto na suyantaha muchyante tepi karmabhihi. Ye me matamidam nityam anutishtanti manavaha shraddhavanto na suyantaha muchyante tepi karmabhihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.